Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove text in SnapEdit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove text from any of your image in SnapEdit, you just simply have to open your SnapEdit application at very first. Then, after opening the application, you just simply have to scroll down a bit into this home page. Then after scrolling down a bit, you will get the option of text remover directly at the second last. Just simply tap into text remover and then choose any of the image from your gallery where you want to remove the text. For example, I'm selecting this suggested image. Then after that, you just simply have to select the text that you want to remove and then click to this remove button. Then after that, your text will successfully be removed. This way, you can very easily remove any text from your image into SnapEdit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.